Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a birthday cake for my youngest daughter. She's turning 8, and she really requested an Oreo drip cake again. We had one actually, I believe, last year. I'll put a picture up here. This one does look a little bit different, and I was trying to make it a little bit prettier, I guess. So let's get started.
This is a 6-inch cookies and cream cake filled and frosted with cookies and cream ganache. I cleaned up the cake board. I dripped the cake with melted dark chocolate. So this chunking of the chocolate is actually pretty normal, so I smooth it on with a spatula. I placed full-size Oreo cookies around the top of the cake. Then I placed mini Oreos along the bottom of the cake. And I placed mini Oreos between the full-sized Oreos on top of the cake. This Oreo drip cake turned out so pretty, it just makes you want to take a big bite. Happy birthday, Natalie! For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.